channel again. Today we're going to revisit the Igbo alphabets. I know it was so hard. I mean, I think that was the first thing I had a class on. It was so hard for some people. It was like, ging gong gong. What are you saying, girl? What is going on? I can't understand it. But I feel like we've come a long way. We've learned some Igbo. You've learned some stuff. You've gotten used to the ways Igbo language works. So I thought it would be nice to revisit Igbo alphabets, and this time around tell you the words to help you pronounce it even better. Okay, that sounds good. So the first one we have on the alphabet is Allah. I mean, this is a good way to learn more words in Igbo. Okay, Allah is land. Allah, Abchidi. So when you're trying to pronounce, what is again? Think about the land. Allah is land. Bia, come here. Bia means come. Bia. Chi. So it was hard for me to find a word that is like you can use all the time for chi. But I thought about chi. Chineke. I was like, girl, you did that. Okay. It was so hard. I kept saying, what is gonna be for chi? Abechi. Damn it. But then I came up with I didn't invent the word, but it was just there. I was like, chi. Your name is Chidima. Come on now. What are you talking about? Chineke. Chineke is God. Chi. D. I was like, oh, what other word will be for D? I was like, your name is Chidima, girl. So D is Dima. So when you're having a hard time pronouncing these letters, I feel like knowing a word that you can use for it can help you learn. So Dima means it's good. Oh, Dima is good. Chineke. Chineke. Remember E is A, not E. A word. Guess the word. That's the favorite word of every Igbo person. Ego. Ego is money. Ego. Fee. I had a hard time with this one too, coming up with a word for F. And I came up with felie. That means fly up. That's what it means. Fly up. Felie. Oh, feliele. It flew up already. Felie, fly up. Gi. The gi is gonna be gi, which is you. Gi, you. Gi is gara. Ga. So gi is gonna be gara. I'm just so I just have to come up with words. Sorry y'all if I'm not going through the whole alphabets like I did teach it in the past, because obviously I already taught you the alphabets and how to say it. I'm just trying to tell you how to use the words, like how to create a word with those alphabets. So yeah, don't expect another lesson on how to pronounce the words again. So gi is gara, hara, gi, hara. Hara is to leave. Hara. You can also hear somebody say bahara is to forgive. Just leave it alone. Hara. So I came up with iwu miri. To swim is iwu miri. Iwu miri. That alphabet is there. Okay, just want you to get the picture of it. The H in the alphabet is ahage. Ahage. Yeah, that means your name. Okay. E, the I is the E, remember? So Ike. That means strength. Ike, strength. know I used gi already, but that e sound is you. Gi. J, the J is jewa. That means go. Just go. Jewa. Or you can say, some people say gawa. It's also going to be go. Jewa. K. A word for K is kulie. Get up. Kulie. A word for the KP is Bere Chineke. Bere. Okay, so me, ni. Oh, you can say merem. Let's use that because I was gonna say just use me, like me, okay? But no, merem. Merem means do. Merem means do something for me. Merem do this for me, or merem do something for me. The N without the accent, it will be na. That will be a word, which is and. The N with the accent will be ni, which is because. Ni. I'm just, like again I said, this is not teaching you how to say the alphabet. This is actually using those letters for words to show you words where they apply to, so you can also help yourself learn the alphabet even better. The WNW is one. That's the word you can use for one. Nye is one. You hear that? One. Wait, one is your sibling. One is a female, okay? O without an accent is oroma. O with an accent is ozokwa, which is again. Oroma is orange. Ozokwa is again. P, that's P. Poto. Poto is mud. Re, I wanted to use that re for, I came up with area. There's a lot of R going on in that word. Area, which is to beg. See the S, not the S with the H, just the S by itself. We're gonna do OCC. The S with the H will be shish. I hope this is helpful because the S without the H is very a lot. The X with H is shish. Shish is just 6 shillings. It's like 6 naira. Shishi. T is tobenu or tobe, to praise. U without an accent will be udoka, which is peace is better. Udoka. The U with an accent will be okwa. U without an accent is oo. U with an accent oo. No, U with without an accent is oo. You okay? With the accent is oh. So that's why it's okwa. Then the other one is udoka. The V is ivoinhi. Like I'm gonna say inavoahia. That means you're removing grass, the weeds on the farmland. Ivoahia or ivoahia, but I hear ivo too. Ivoahia. W is were. We were. That's to take. Were. Y, yeah, could also be iyo. The Y is there. It's kind of very. I try to find a resource that can help me, come up with all these words for the alphabet. It was really hard to find that. I had to come up with most of it by myself. And Z is AZ. AZ, which is pig. I know, sorry y'all if this wasn't very helpful. I thought it would be very helpful because now you're practicing the alphabet with the words. So Allah, Bia, Chineke, Dima, Ego, Fedie, Gi, Hara, like Bahara, Igwu mmiri, aha gị, ike, gị bịa, ọ bịa, jewa, kulie, kpere Chineke, mere, na, n'ihi, nwanne, nwanyị, oroma, ọzọkwa, ọtọpọtọ, arịrịọ, osisi, shishi, tobenu, ọtobe, udoka, ụkwa, vụọ ahịhịa, ịvọ ahịhịa, were, iyo, eji. That's all the words I came up with for today because I just wanted, I did get a lot. I got some feedback on Facebook, through Facebook, not even through YouTube, through Facebook, that it was kind of hard pronouncing those words and those letters. So hopefully these words can help you so that when you pronounce these words, you can also say, oh, okay, this is how you say it. Okay, I get it now. So that's my goal, right? Hopefully that will help you. But until then, thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Don't come and just watch and not subscribe. Just subscribe, please, okay? Bye, guys.